See, sometimes in life we all need a break. A break from work, a break from phones, a break from families, and a break from the everydayness of life. But what we actually need is a break from civilization itself. So let's take a journey to find ourselves.
2, 1, go!
May the path appear to be straight, but it can bring infinite possibilities to tell new stories and live new adventures.
गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती है क्या?
So take a plunge and find a place that can actually slow time down for you. While being on that quiet still place, you may find your inner peace. Living that place may transform you to a totally different person when you reach home. Who knows? Let's find it out.